Smoke still hangs in the air tonight, where the fire of love once burned. Every word we ever said, now just lessons learned. The pictures on the wall still smile, but the frame feels cold and crude. We built a dream with tender hands, now it's ashes where we stood. Ashes where we stood. Love burned just like it should, left a mark that's deep and true, but it couldn't carry through. Now the flame is gone for good, and it's ashes where we stood. I still hear your laughter faint, like a ghost in these old halls. Every echo pulls me back to the rise before the fall. We held on tight to something wild, but fire don't know what's good. It gave us light, then took it back, left ashes where we stood. Ashes where we stood. Love burned just like it should, left a mark that's deep and true, but it couldn't carry through. Now the flame is gone for good, and it's ashes where we stood. Maybe someday we'll meet again, where the smoke turns into sky, and I'll smile and say I loved you without asking why. But until then I'll keep this ember of a love misunderstood, holding what we used to be in the ashes where we stood. Ashes where we stood. Love burned just like it should. It warmed my soul, it broke my heart, the sweetest pain I ever knew. Now time has done what time will do, and it's ashes where we stood. The night moves slow, the fire is gone, but I'd light it again if I could, even if it ends the same way, in ashes where we stood.